like a plush toy. It's not.
Mike,
It's moving.
It doesn't look like a blow-up.
What? It's moving. Wow. All right, so this is just the beginning. Hey guys, it's Mikey Likes It, and today we are taking a road trip to Brooklyn. What's in Brooklyn?
Pizza.
We're going to see the Christmas lights.
Yes.
Dyker Heights Christmas lights. Famous.
Yes, we're going to see Dyker Heights Christmas lights, and we're getting some pizza. So keep watching so you see all the amazing lights. There's like 22 blocks of lights.
We're going to the famous L&B Spumoni Gardens for pizza.
Woohoo!
Okay, we're at L&B Pizza in Brooklyn.
Yeah, L&B Pizza. This looks good. And we have Penelope out to dinner with us. She is rocking her JoJo. Hey, say hi. Alright guys, we pretty much almost finished this. This is an upside down pizza, so it's cheese and then the sauce. It is so good. Comment down below and tell us if you've ever had an upside down pizza pie. Alright guys, what do you rate the pizza out of 1 to 10?
1,000!
That pizza, it was so good. Alright guys, this is outside L&B. This is Brooklyn, New York. And next time, maybe in the summer, we'll come back for the ice cream. The Spumoni, they are really, really popular for us, so we're gonna have to try that next time. Alright guys, who's ready to see some Christmas lights? Alright guys, so we're in Dyker Heights, and there's like block after block after block of really cool houses all lit up with all different things. So if you ever come to New York City or Brooklyn, you really should check out Dyker Heights. Awesome. Ooh, guys, that's all blue. I love that. It's like a frozen house, Age. Isn't it? Oh my God, guys! How many lights do you think they have on? Beautiful. I never thought that there's like blue and purple. Look close. You see the blue and the purple?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is a pretty house. Look at the balcony. Wow. It's gorgeous. There's more on this side, guys. Oh my God, look at that's a gazebo back there.
Mommy, this house is so cool.
Guys, look across the street. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God, there's Rudolph and Olaf.
Mike, watch out for
and
cars.
Santa. And Snoopy. Oh my God, with Woodstock, I have to take a
All right,
picture.
good. 84 coming
Let
up.
me see the picture.
Mommy, there's more. Look.
Oh my goodness! Look at Snoopy. Hi, Snoopy. Oh, I love this arch. So pretty.
Look, there's Angry Birds Minions. The guy from Minions.
Wow, guys. Angry Birds. Who else? Who else? Clarice. Oh, guys, look. Is that Yo Gabba Gabba? Yes, there's Mater from Toy Story.
Where's that rat?
Wait, is that Rex?
No. Oh, there's Chewbacca.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, I see Chewbacca. Where's Dory? Oh, there's a minion, but the minion fell. See the minion?
There's the Angry Bird.
Oh, goodness. Oh. Age, can you see?
All right,
Beautiful. Wow, look how big that wreath is up there. Love it.
The baby Jesus set.
What?
The baby Jesus set.
That's a nativity, right? Oh, there's the baby Jesus in there. Wow. All right, guys, there's a lot to look at. Let's go. Look at the moving Santas.
Snowman.
I mean, the moving snowmen.
Like, look.
how beautiful the nutcrackers are.
How do you open the door?
Look at the door. Wow, look at all the nutcrackers. Count them. There's so many. There's 3 on each side and a big one.
There's 7.
All right, we are coming up to the main house up there.
The house that started it all on Dyker Heights.
Yeah, the house that started it all on Dyker Heights.
1152, 84th Street.
1152. So pretty. Look up there, Johnny. You see Mickey Mouse? Mikey, you're getting a little bit close to the nutcracker. You're a big nutcracker. These two.
Whoa!
Wow.
Look.
Very cool.
This lady started it all.
Look at this huge nutcracker.
Oh,
Talk about a nutcracker. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that big Santa on the side.
you guys gotta take a picture for this.
Oh, nutcracker. Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys want to sit?
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look.
You guys want to sit in the chair? Go ahead. Yeah, sit in the chair. Alright guys, check out this humongous Santa Claus. Holy moly, that's the biggest Santa I've ever seen. Here we go.
Yeah, go.
Did you guys see the big horses in the carousel?
Look at this side. And then there's giant chicken crying up there.
Wow.
Nutcrackers. Oh, the nutcrackers. Yeah, the nutcracker hands are
Very cool. Look guys, so it says Toy Land. Isn't that cool? Guys, what do you think so far?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
It's
Snap!
Don't walk on the-
Amazing.
Amazel?
Half amazing and then half of cool. Amazing.
Oh, so all right guys, hashtag Amazel. Half amazing, half cool. Amazel.
Amazing.
Amazing.
All right guys, what do you think of this house? So pretty. That one, I love the trees. All right guys, let's follow me. It's the garage. So cool, huh? Aww. That's so cool.
Wait, there's a movie playing.
Oh, it's a Santa Claus movie. See it?
There's something playing.
Yes. Oh my God, it's Santa Claus in the window. Did you guys see him?
Whoa,
There he is again.
Daddy, look.
It's Santa. Guys, it's Santa. Hi, Santa.
Wait a minute,
Where you
it's snowing.
Snowmaker. He's got a snowmaker.
Oh yeah, it is snow.
Oh, right there. Look.
Where?
Right there. You got a snowmaker. The machine up top.
It's snowing.
Hi, Santa.
Where's the snow?
Oh, it's snowing.
It's so.
It's snowing. Is it real?
Do not walk on grass, it says.
Oh, I think it's soap.
Look.
Guys, no! I think it's soap.
Mike, do not go on the property. Read it.
Up, do not walk on grass.
I'm not walking on grass.
So look, here's a penguin. Snowman. Presents. Oh, look up there. You see the big snowman? Oh, I love the ice cream. Oh, there it goes! There's the machine. That's so cool.
Wow, it's cool.
Let me see your cover, girl.
Stay here for the next round. Let you get soaked too.
All right, so the kids want to try again. They want to get soaked. They want to get filled with snow.
And Penelope's hair.
Vanellope's hair. Vanellope.
And my hair.
Your hair. Alright guys, look at this house. So they have the baby Jesus is not in the basket yet. Why?
Because he's born on Christmas.
Because he's born on Christmas. So on Christmas Day they will put baby Jesus in his basket. Isn't that good? Isn't this house good? Oh guys, look! Look at the reindeer. Hello, Mr. Reindeer.
That's Rudolph.
Oh, look at Santa. He's got his hands on his head. He's like, oh, I'm so tired. Going all around the world. Oh, look at the elves. Oh, girl elf. Look at the girl age. Look at the elf face.
Oh, look at Frosty, G.
Whoa! Gianni, you think that all the Frosties are Olaf. He thinks they're all Olaf. Hi. Whoa, that's a big Santa.
You know what? I like looking at their lighting.
Alright guys, what do you think of this?
It's amazing.
It is amazing. Alright, look up top, guys. Do you recognize anything? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guess what it is? Yes.
Mickey Mouse ears.
Mickey Mouse's ears.
And Minnie Mouse.
In a
And
wreath.
look at that bow right there.
Yeah, that's awesome, right?
Yeah.
Love that. Oh, I think this little puppy dog is so cute. Alright guys, look how beautiful these trees are. And look, there's a waterfall. So pretty.
Again?
Look, that's all granite, nice stone, huh? All the way down. Beautiful. Wow, look.
What's not on?
So they're probably still doing it. These are made out of bushes, and the lights aren't on. They're still putting it together. Look, the ladder. See, look, it's beautiful.
Dancing bears, Joy.
Dancing bears. Amazing. All right, guys, we saw all the lights. We had a great time. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like all the Christmas lights?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching our channel. We hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below if you've been to Dyker. And let us know what videos you want to see for the month of December. There'll be a lot of Christmas videos.
Yeah.
Say bye!
Bye. My favorite one was this one that snowed.
Oh, the snow. My favorite one was the frozen one. You like the Olaf? You like Olaf.
Oh yeah, with the
Alright, bye guys!